Now after we are done creating our new library NXP semiconductors and have added PCA 9505 as our symbol, now it's time to design our to add pins and do bunch of other stuff. The first thing is, let me move this U, select this U, hit M, and let me move this to a side, and let's choose the grid of 50 mils. Go to grid, and as it is by default 50 mils, most of the KiCad components are designed in 50 mils grid. So the next thing is, we have to now add pins. Let me show you symbol. This is our symbol. This is pin number 1 with the name SDA. So in order to add pin in our symbol, go to this add pin tool on the right side. On the right side, this is the add pin tool. Click over here. This will open a window with the pin properties. So our pin number 1 is with the name SDA and pin number is 1. So keep in mind that this pin number is very important, because the footprint matches with the symbol using the pin number 1, which means that if I write pin number 1 over here on the SDA pin, this will exactly match to its package footprint package pin number 1. If I write SDA pin number is on 2, this symbol will exactly match with the footprint package pin number 2. So make sure that your pin numbers are very accurate. So as SDA is on pin number 1, I will choose pin number 1, and this pin number type is, let's say, let me choose it as bidirectional. You can choose in electrical type there are few pins like input, output, bidirectional, tri-state, passive, free, unspecified. These are all the bunch of pin types. For SD I am choosing bidirectional pins. And graphical lines you can choose depending upon the functionality. For currently I am going to use line. XI position is a location where you want to position your pin, and this takes the reference of grid at 0 position. Orientation means that it should be either the wire should be connected from the left side, or the from like this. If this, let me place this over here, then I will show you. And let me choose pin length. Let me increase this to 200 mils. Name text side, leave it over here. Now let's see. Now I have chosen orientation is right and hit OK. Orientation right means that when I will connect my wire, the wire will be connected over here on this circle thing. So when I choose another orientation, let me select and hit E and choose left, hit OK. Now the wire will be attached on this from the right side. So let me change back to right. This is from up, from down. This means you can also assume, or you can, for your understanding purpose, right means that your IC is on the right side. Hit OK. Let me move over here. This means I have chosen pin direction orientation as right. This means that IC will be on this side, on the right side. So this is pin number 1. Similarly, you can add more pins. Click over here, add the next pin is SCL pin number 2 is SCL with the name pin number 2. Choose bidirectional, leave the settings other settings as it is, hit OK, add this pin over here. So similarly you can add other pins in this symbol. But another very easy method is, on the keyboard you can hit insert. I am going to hit insert, and it has added pin number 3. Then you can add more pins over here. Let me check on the symbol that how many pins are needed on the left side. That are 28 pins. So let me click on the insert and add pins till 28. Insert, twenty, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now we have 28 pins on this side, and let me add 29 and hit escape to loop the pin tool. Click on it, hit move, and let me move on this side so that I can add remaining pins. You can see over here pins till 56. So 29 over here, click insert, and you can now add pins 53, 54, 56. Now we have added pins till 56. Now it's time to change their names, and on these pins on the right side needs changing their orientation as well as names as well as their electrical properties. So in the next video we are going to change their properties by editing one pin each at a time.